Hi everyone. I'm sorry that I couldn't be there today, but I had a plane to catch. But nevertheless, I wanted to show you my work, so I prepared this video. And this part of the project is about trying to have an actual insight about how Yellow Taxi and Uber differ in terms of prices, and in particular our main problem was that the TLC Uber 2019, 18 and 2020 data, all the Uber TLC data didn't have the fair amount. So we found a project before the TLC started to ask data recording from Uber, and this project was about the city of New York. And before 2015, we can see that there are 200,000 records, so 200,000 trips. And what we want to do is trying to train an algorithm, machine learning algorithm, on the Uber data, the old one that you have here with fares, and then find the same columns in the new one, the TLC one, and try to put a price on it. And then from that we can do many things. We can try to see where's the mismatch of price, and that will have a big impact also, because now you can book a Uber cab, a yellow cab from the Uber taxi, and also now there will be surge pricing also applied to yellow taxi through the Uber algorithms. So you can see here that this data was with this pickup longitude, latitude, and what I did is making it a point, and from that what I had to do is put every pickup and drop of point inside this geometry that is where is the geometry is this one, and it's about all the location ID data. I had to take the centroids and not the actual pickup geometry point, this precise point, because the other dataset, the TLC one, didn't have this granularity. The only granularity was the pickup location ID. So what I did to also add one more predictor is try to find the distance between the pickup and drop-off. So I took the centroids, I do some merging of the data, and so this is the Uber final ad for the old data set, and you can see that we have 4 predictors for the time of day and the time of year, we can say, and then we have the distance, the geolocation ID, the geolocation ID, the fair amount. We do the same with the TLC data that is in this format. So we will take the time of the day from here and the geolocation from there, and also again merge it with the centroids, so to have that distance. So you can see here, and I think like 0.04, like here, means 4 miles. And then we get the dummies, because also geolocation ID, all these ones, all these things except from distance are strings, because an ordinal encoder also, or even just leaving them as an integer wouldn't make sense, because it's not like an higher location ID is like you're like higher with the longitude or the latitude, so that wouldn't work. Right now we have these many columns and not that many rows, so maybe we can think about this is just to check the is we can also like have, instead of the P location ID, like the borrows of the pickup location. And then we train a model. That's not bad. So with actually this is way better than before, so I just run this. And so with the P location ID, instead of just the borrow for pickup and drop off, we can have a mean absolute error for each taxi fare, taxi trip of $2.06. And then the next thing that we can do is trying to predict and add a fair amount to the Uber. This is wrong. It's not the 2020, it's the 2019. And so just like this, we have a mean absolute error of 2.06. And what we can do from now is trying to put all the significant effects about what John is doing. So trying to prove statistical significance of weather, or maybe even events. Obviously, I mean, like a dummy for big events and airports and everything, and about like some specific hours and days, and yeah, this in my mind, and I mean in the mind of the group, is like sum up of all the work. So after everything we have discovered through our exploratory analysis and yes, statistical significant analysis, this is our final conclusion. Where actually we can be useful in this like new opportunity for the TLC, in which Yellow Taxi can be booked via the Uber app. So yeah, I don't know if I'm the last or the first one to speak, but I want to say have a great day and have a great meeting, and sorry again to not be there, and I hope this will help you understand what I've done. If not, reach out to me anytime. Thank you.